today's video, I'll be showing you guys this makeup look that I have on right now, which is a very cute but also really simple holiday makeup look that you can put on whenever you want to go out and look pretty, but you also don't really have that much time left on your hand. I'll be using some of the products that I just received from yesstyle. They are really cute, they have the best packaging, and they are really suitable for this makeup look. You can check the description box down below for the links to all of the products, and if you use my code RULING06, you'll also get a price reduction for your next purchase on yesstyle. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. The first thing that I'm doing is putting concealer underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. I haven't really been using base makeup lately because I'm trying to take care of my skin and I don't want to use anything that could potentially break my skin out again. Then I'm using this Clinique contour stick to contour my nose and my face. Setting the areas underneath my eyes and my nose with loose setting powder. Now we will be moving on to the stuff in the box. I'm using this bronzer from Too Cool for School to contour my nose and my face. For my nose, I'm using the darkest shade out of the three. For my face, I'm gently brushing off the three mixed colors across the overall face line to give shades. Moving on to my eyebrows. First, I have to brush them. Then, I'm using this eyebrow kit from the Face Shop in the color number 5, Gray Brown, to fill in my brows. Here comes the fun part. This iMimi Multi-Cube that comes in my yesstyle box has both a tiny eye palette and also a blusher, both of which I'll be using for today's makeup look. First, I'll use the color number 1 in the eye palette for my entire eyelids and also for my lower lash lines. Hi. So there's a problem with this part of the video. Basically, the video where I film myself doing the next 2 steps of my eye makeup doesn't really work, and I don't really know why, which is a shame, but I can't really do anything about it. So I'll just quickly show you guys how I do the next 2 steps. So with this iMimi Multi-Cube that I got from my yesstyle box, I'll first use the color number 4 for both the outer and inner corners of my eyes. Then I'll use the color number 2 for the middle part of my eyes, not really sure if they call it the middle part, and also for my inner lower lash lines. Now let's get back to the video. Lastly, I'm using the color number 3 for both my upper and lower lash lines. I'm using this slim waterproof fixie liner from Peach C. I'm only lining the outer corners of my eyes. Now this is something that I don't know if I should be doing, but I'm using this brow setter from Benefits for both my lashes and my brows. On a daily basis, I use this instead of a mascara for a more natural look. For today's look, I'm using this brow setter for my lashes to keep it in place and also to lengthen and volumize my lashes. The next product that comes in the box is this Kiss Me mascara, which I've always been looking forward to using. For my lashes, I'm using 2 layers of mascara. The The first layer is only for the tips of my lashes, and for the second layer I'm applying my mascara from the roots of my lashes up. Now for my cheeks, I'm also using 2 layers of blush. The first layer is with this liquid blusher from, not sure if I say this correctly, but Q in the shade EE01. For the second layer, I'm using this beautiful red shade that comes in the multi-cube. I also like to put some blush on the tip of my nose. This luminous multi-highlighter from the same. Last but not least, I'm applying this Glasting Water Tint in the shade number 5 Rose Splash on my lids. But I like to add these tiny little red hearts on my cheekbones because I think it looks cute that way. Then I just fix my hair. Put on some accessories like necklace, earrings, and a beret. So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and a huge thanks to yesstyle for all of these amazing products. I really love them, and I know that I'll be using them almost every day if I can. I'm really sorry again for the lack of videos. I will try to be more active on my YouTube channel from now on, and once I have more time in my hand, I'll be making even more videos for you guys. To those who are watching this video right now, thank you again for watching. And to those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, and see you guys next time. Bye!